I love you. I'm good. How are you? Superb. Good to see you for the friends from Alok. How are you doing? And of course, Alok यहीं पे है यार. कैसा है Alok? Jagas, तुम्हारा सर्वांना नमस्कार. A very good afternoon, everybody. Namaskar. It's धोखा time. मैं हूं सचिन कुंभार और मैं आप सबका तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूं. I know a lot of familiar faces from the press. Thank you so much, all of you, for joining us here. Prime Video की तरफ से I would like to welcome all our esteemed members of the press and everyone present here. Thank you so much for joining us for the trailer launch of The Traitors. Well, it is one of the most popular and fastest growing reality series worldwide. And The Traitors सिर्फ एक show nahi, it's a global phenomena. We are thrilled that Prime Video is bringing the BAFTA and Emmy award-winning reality series to Indian audiences through their collaboration with All3Media International. The Indian original series is produced by BBC Studios India Productions. So without further ado, to tell us more, why don't we invite Nikhil Madok, Head of Originals at Prime Video India, to tell us more about this unique, award-winning reality series and take us into the immersive world of The Traitors. Because that's the vibe, right? Nikhil, welcome. और हम Traitors के लिए काफी excited हैं. We're looking forward to it. Now we want to know everything from you about the new reality series on Prime Video and the format of the series.
Okay, firstly, thank you everyone for being here. We at Prime Video are absolutely thrilled to bring Traitors to India. It's one of the fastest growing reality TV formats in the world. Currently, it's been adapted in more than 30 countries. And what's amazing is that in pretty much every country that it's been adapted in, it's gone out to become a huge success with multiple seasons and a true cult fan following. And we're hoping that we'll be able to do the same in India as well.
A rocking welcome, Karan. Thank you so much for joining us. It's a pleasure.
Sorry, I'm not supposed to be nice to anyone. That's my mood. That's my expression right through The Traitors.
Okay.
I cannot be nice to you. I cannot wish you. And do not expect any pleasantries.
But still, can I compliment you on the neck piece that you're wearing?
No. That's against the format.
Okay, I have one more thing to go. This is the best birthday return gift that you could give all of us. Belated happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
I got that. Thank you, Karan.
Listen, I can't. It was very tough because this was like a show that I had to be literally like a disciplinarian, a principal, not only following the format because the format is outstanding and the best format of any reality show I think that has ever existed on planet Earth. But it is so tough because sometimes you also want to scream and shout at people because they're being absolutely idiotic and like literally like not seeing it, not reading the room. But that's what the great part of this game is, that it is like it's a mind beep. Like literally, like it really can mess your mind and make you like I used to go back every night with sleepless nights, like wondering what the hell's going to happen the next day. It keeps you on the edge. It's like a thriller, relentless thriller.
Now that try and keep that tone
Right.
intact. मुन्ना भैया मर गए और तुम डर गए. पाताल लोक made you question धरती के लोग. Family man made you trust no man. We saw you say these lines in the teaser which dropped a few days back, and it created definitely quite a lot of buzz where you hinted at what we can expect from the show. And you did spill some beans earlier as well, but we want to know what's in store दर्शकों के लिए.
दर्शकों के लिए मैं क्या कहूँ, आप दूसरे कैप्टिव रियलिटीज देख चुके हो, वहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा चीखना चिल्लाना तो होता ही है. यहाँ थोड़ा बहुत भी हुआ था, लेकिन इसमें दिमाग की सख्त ज़रूरत है. ये जो है ना, ये ऐसा शो है जो आपको खुद नहीं पता कि आपका नेक्स्ट मूव क्या होगा. कुछ नहीं जानते आप. जैसे कि है, ये एक थ्रिलर है, एक मर्डर मिस्ट्री है, ये सब दोनों चीज़ों का मिश्रण है. इसमें 20 प्लेयर्स है. हम इन्हें कंटेस्टेंट्स नहीं बुलाते, इनको प्लेयर्स बुलाते हैं. और 3 ट्रेटर्स हैं तो फिर ऑफ कोर्स मैथमेटिकली 17 इनोसेंट्स होंगे. तो रोज उन 3 जो ट्रेटर्स हैं वो उनको इनोसेंट की एक्टिंग करनी है, और इनोसेंस का जो है ना जी, आंखें हर जगह जा रही है कि ट्रेटर कौन है। तो जैसे कि हमारे मंत्रास हैं शो में कि कि ट्रस्ट इज रेयर, धोखा एवरीवेयर। आप किसी पे ट्रस्ट नहीं कर सकते। हमने रिश्ते तोड़ते हुए देखे हैं, फ्रेंडशिप्स उजड़ते हुए देखे हैं। बहुत सारा जो ड्रामा एक्चुअली इमोशन से आता है, क्योंकि वाकई जब आप एक साथ रहते हो इतने दिनों के लिए तो एक इमोशन बन जाता है। फिर जब आपका दिल टूटता है, जब आपको लगता है कि ये तो धोखा है मेरे साथ, और वो आप पर्सनली ले लेते हो, आप भूल जाते हो कि ये आप किसी गेम का हिस्सा है। इतने पर्सनल हो जाते हो कि मैं भी होस्ट के नाते इतना ज्यादा पर्सनल हो गया था, तो कभी कभी मैं बोलना चाहता था भैया ये इनोसेंट है, इनको बाहर मत निकालो, लेकिन वो मैं कहना चाहता था, फिर भी मेरा एक्सप्रेशन ऐसा स्ट्राइक था। आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू गाइज, दिस इज अ रोलर कोस्टर राइड। आप जब देखोगे, और Amazon प्राइम हर थर्सडे को 3 एपिसोड ड्रॉप कर रहा है, आपको गुस्सा आ जाएगा, आपको चाहिए कि इसके बाद मुझे देखना क्या होगा। बट लिसन, दैट्स व्हाई वी केप्ट इट लाइक दैट, बिकॉज तरस और तड़प होनी चाहिए।
ना इतना ऐसा लगा कि ऑलरेडी द ट्रेटर शुरू हो चुका है हमारे लिए, तो
क्या
जिस
मतलब है
तरीके से
शुरू हो
आप
चुका है? मैं आ गया हूं तो हो चुका है ना शुरू।
absolutely and but deliciously brutal. Now this sounds like an absolute strategic play, but we want to know what happens in the traitors. How does the game progress?
Well, as I've told you that I'm the master of ceremonies, we're in a location very far removed, which actually by night looks kind of spooky and you feel you could be in a haunted house. Not to say the location we're at was was a haunted house, just putting it out there. It's beautiful, that property. But the atmosphere, वहाँ जो वातावरण है वहाँ ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ होने वाला है वातावरण। तो जाहिर है जब मैं पहुंचा और जब मैंने सबको वेलकम किया, हमारे 20 सेलिब्रिटीज जो आए थे, तो उनको पता था कि ये एक राइड होने वाला है। तो फर्स्ट these 20 guys come in, एंड उसके बाद मैं जो हूँ, मैं 3 ट्रेटर्स को चुनता हूँ जब सब ब्लाइंड फोल्डेड होते हैं। They're all blindfolded, you choose the 3 traitors. Subsequently, only the 3 traitors, when they meet each other, know who the traitors are. सबको अभी पता है कि यहाँ हमारे बीच 3 ट्रेटर्स हैं, और that's when the fun begins, क्योंकि हर रात एक मर्डर होता है, और फिर हर दिन सर्कल ऑफ शक में ये मुआयना होता है कि कौन है ट्रेटर, एंड इनवेरिएबली things go either way, because जो innocence है वो invariably they don't get it right कि ट्रेटर कौन है, or sometimes they have got it right, but that I wait for everyone to watch. लेकिन हर रात एक मर्डर जरूर होता है, और मर्डर उस तरह नहीं जैसे आप इमेजिन कर रहे हो। इट्स अ वर्चुअल मर्डर।
Okay.
वर्चुअल मर्डर मीनिंग शब्दों से उनको कहा जाता है कि आपकी रिहाई हो गई है, आपका मर्डर हो गया है, चले जाइए। और रातों रात जिसका भी मर्डर होता है उसे अपना बेचारा बैग पकड़ के पैक करके प्रॉपर्टी को छोड़ना पड़ता है। Immediately they are murdered, and every night there is a murder.
All right, so it's a circle.
सर्कल ऑफ शक में जो सारे 20 इनिशियली जो 20 थे वो डिस्कस करते हैं कि ट्रेटर कौन है, और वहां सबसे ज्यादा मजा मुझे आता है, क्योंकि मुझे सर्कल ऑफ शक के सिर्फ इर्द गिर्द घूमना है, मुझे देखना है, और मैं जानता हूं सब कुछ, और उनकी लड़ाइयाँ वो सब एक दूसरे को देख के कह रहे कि मुझे लगता है तू ट्रेटर है, मुझे लगता है तू ट्रेटर है, और ये सारे सब अपने अपनी राय उस सर्कल ऑफ शक में वहां बयां करते हैं। और वो सर्कल ऑफ शक जो है ना, इट्स द मोस्ट एक्साइटिंग पार्ट, क्योंकि यू एज एन ऑडियंस आपको पता है यू आर इन ऑन द गेम, लेकिन वो लोग जो है ना दे आर नॉट इन ऑन द गेम। तो वो आपको बुरा भी लग रहा है कि शिट व्हाट आर यू सेइंग, नो नो ही इज नॉट, आप you start playing that game, and that's the beauty of traitors, कि the interactive level between audience and show is the maximum. वो आपको किसी और रियलिटी शो में नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि आप बेड पे बैठे, घर पे बैठे, जहां भी आप देख रहे हो शो, you start feeling invested in the game, like you start talking back to the game. जब लोग मॉनिटर रूम में देख रहे थे तो सब बात करते अरे यार पागल है, ये नहीं है, ये सच, अरे चुप करो, ये झूठ है। You start interacting. सर्कल ऑफ शक में ये सब होता है, and that's the most exciting part of the show, is the circle of shock. And then जब 3 ट्रेटर्स रात को मिलते हैं और वो जब डिसाइड करते तय करते कि मर्डर किसका है, that is the most like heart breaking time. और फिर सुबह सुबह मुझे आके उस एक पर्सन की तस्वीर गिरानी होती है, क्योंकि वॉल पे सबके लगे हैं कि उनका मर्डर हो गया है, फिर उनके चेहरे पे क्रॉस लग जाता है।
So, well, तो जून बेसब्री से इंतजार है to get connected to the
Yeah.
world of traitors.
It's
But
a long wait. I have to tell you, for a show like this, it's too long a wait.
I know we can't, but we कहते हैं ना सब्र का फल मीठा होता है. बेसब्री से इंतजार रहेगा. Thank you so much, Karan. I'm going to
Thank you.
request you to please join Nikhil right there at the hot seat. Thank you for spilling the tea. Raftaar! Jannat Zubair! Sahil Salatia! Urfi Javed! Trailer launch of The Traitors. Raftaar, मेरा पहला सवाल आपसे है. With all the dhoka going around, are we going to see a very different avatar and, a cold-blooded shade of you?
सर ये जो लैंड है ना ये धोखेबाजों का है ये ट्रेटर्स की जमीन है तो जैसा देश वैसा भेस और जैसा क्रिमिनल वैसा केस
Oh, man of yours. Request to hand over the mic to her. Thank you. Jannat, what is the one secret weapon that will help you survive in such a cutthroat game and filled with backstabbing and out-and-out dhoka?
I think my sweet and innocent looking face. People don't think twice before trusting me. And what they don't know is behind this innocent face, there's this person who's always 5 steps ahead of them. So I'm going to play my game, stay calm, and as soon as they put their guards down, checkmate.
Well, she's reinstating the fact looks are deceptive, but wishing you the best. Sahil, like the competition's going to be extremely intense and the stakes sky high. Do you think you'll be able to work your charm on this show?
Interesting. Now, I think charm doesn't work. It happens, first of all. But secondly, मेरे को आस्तीन में सांप पालने की बहुत आदत है, so I hope मैं वो escape कर पाऊँ. Because fingers crossed, I think I'm going to be very lucky this time.
We wish you the best and
Thank
thank you
you.
so much.
Thank you.
Urfi, my next questions for you is, अब ये जो है इस particular group में यानी कि रफ्तार, जन्नत, साहिल, इनमें से आपको सबसे बड़ा खतरा कौन लगता है?
मुझे सबसे बड़ा खतरा साहिल लग रहा है.
Hey, he's a
Sahil. I think Sahil is the biggest threat.
हाँ? वो तो हम 12 जून के बाद जानेंगे क्या क्या किया और क्या क्या हुआ है. But wishing you guys the best and thank you so much. Thank you. Let me get the mic from you. Thank you. Apurva. Karan Kundra. Nikita Luther. Sufi Motiwala. पूरा my first questions for you. इस शो पे एक से बढ़कर एक रेड फ्लैग्स हैं पर आप इस शो की सबसे बड़ी रेड फ्लैग किसे बनाएंगे?
I think people just think that being a red flag is about lying, manipulation, and deception. And all of that is true. But to do all of that, you require brains, which unfortunately most of these people don't have. So I don't know if I'm the biggest red flag, but I use more than one brain cell at all times.
Well, hard hai. Hard hai. If you could request to hand over the mic to Karan. Karan, what you have to say. And you know, you've been television's favorite chocolate boy. Do you think that will affect the players' perception of you?
First of all, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. There's nothing chocolatey or sweet about Traitors. Let me just state that fact here. If you think there's anything which is going to be nice and sweet and homely about this show, you're in for a very big surprise. And as Apurva said, you know, it's not about your perception. It's about how you play and how you manipulate. So if these guys are thinking कि ये chocolatey है या ये बहुत sweet है, well, all the best to you guys then.
No place for the sweet tooth here. Yeah? Wishing you the best, Karan. If you could hand over the mic to Nikita. Nikita, you make a living off your poker face and and skills. Now, do you think your game at the poker table will help you with your game on the show?
Yes, first I want to address Apurva. She said nobody uses more than one brain cell. Darling, I use all of them for a living. And yeah, my job is to stay unreadable for a living while reading everyone else. So yes, this game is right up my alley. It might not just be helpful to be a poker player, it might be actually dangerous.
Well, thank you for giving us this banter and this appetizer to start with. Sufi, why don't you do what you do the best, is
Jesus.
rate this group that's sharing the stage with you. Rate it, come on.
Everybody's ready? बेशरम, बेहया, बेवकूफ, बगैरत, बदतमीज, बेहुदगिरी, सब कुछ करके आ गए हम लोग. Just kidding. I do not like this question because you want me to be nice, but I play dirty and you know that. And to the media, imagine if Rakhi Sawant and Paris Hilton had a baby. That's what I'm giving on this show. And that is a 10 out of 10, baby. That's a 10 out of 10.
We love that concoction. Thank you so much and wishing you guys the best. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Raj Kundra. Elnaz Nurozi. Lakshmi Manchu. Harsh Gujral. Anshula Kapoor. Welcome to all five of you and wishing you the best for the Traitors. Raj, my first question's for you. How do you think your fellow players will perceive you and what's your strategy? क्या है planning इस game के लिए?
जब भी मैंने लाइफ में एक मास्क पहना है सबको यही लगा कि ये बंदा मास्क के पीछे क्या छुपा रहा है एक मिस्ट्री है तो आई थिंक दैट मिस्ट्री माइट हेल्प मी इन दिस गेम ये कलयुग का शो है ट्रेटर्स इस पे पता नहीं चलेगा दोस्त कौन और दुश्मन कौन एक मिनट में यही स्ट्रैटेजी लेके आई एम गोना होप दैट जो मिस्ट्री है मेरे पीछे इट माइट हेल्प मी इन दिस गेम एंड लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट करण सर शो होस्ट कर रहे हैं तो वो नेपो हस्बैंड वाला कार्ड तो ज़रूर यूज़ करूँगा
Wish you the best. Elnaz, how far would you go to win and how important is it personally for you to win?
Well, winning for me is very important because I haven't crossed continents to break into one of the toughest industries to play it safe. So I'm going to go as far as I have to go and I'm going to look good doing it and I'm going to do everything to win forever in life.
And you fared extremely well so far. Wishing you the best. Thank you so much. Lakshmi, do you think you can win over friends and influence people?
I'm winning right here, standing in front of all of you. Very good morning. And influence, I've been influencing since some of these traitors knew what content was, darling. So I'm here to win and influence.
Thank you and wish you drama and laughs. Sounds like your stage. Now इस शो में क्या आप प्लेयर्स को हंसाने वाले हैं या रुलाने वाले हैं? क्या प्लान है?
सर इस स्टेज पे इस शो में ना मैं हंसाऊंगा ना मैं रुलाऊंगा, मैं सिर्फ मारूंगा और बहुत लंबा मारूंगा. आई एम कमिंग द ट्रेटर्स. थैंक यू.
इसकी गूंज सुनाई देगी दूर दूर तक.
हाँ सर, मुझे तो आप भी ट्रेटर लग रहे हो.
चौथा नहीं है अभी तक 3 ही है सिर्फ. वो ढूंढने कौन है, पर 12 जून के बाद. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. If I could request to hand over the mic, Anshula, would you be able to betray someone to go and get ahead in the game, out and out?
You called me innocent and calm. I may look innocent and calm. I may look cute even. But acting तो हमारे खून में है ना. And killing it with a little bit of confidence and killing it with a smile on my face, I think is my forte.
So you got all the elements right in place there. Wishing you the best and thank you so much. Thank you. I'm going to get the mic. It is Sudhanshu Pandey. Janvi Kaur. Purav Jha. Jasmine Wasim. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. Now, Sudhanshu, my questions are first for you. Avatars, which avatar will be seeing of yours in the show? And also, will you be the villain or do you have something else up your sleeve?
I think this is a reality show. I'm going to keep it real. Just be myself. And my strategy is going to be not have a strategy. Just be myself. Basically, that is what it's going to be.
His voice is more than enough when he starts talking in there, right? So, but thank you and wishing you the best, Sudhanshu.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Janvi, my questions to you. As a tarot reader, you're quite a mind reader to people reader too. So, do you think you're a threat to other players?
Thank you for your question. ये एक धोखों का सा महासागर है एंड हर एक का धोखा देने का एक अपना स्टाइल है. तो हर धोखे से और हर एक के धोखे से कैसे बचना है, कैसे उसे डॉज करना है, आई थिंक दैट विल बी इन माय फेवर.
काफी तरीके और पैंतरे आप ऑलरेडी तैयार करके लाई. आप योर स्लीव्स. विशिंग यू द बेस्ट. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. थैंक यू. पूरव, पैरोडी तो आप कर लेते हैं, रियलिटी में सर्वाइव कैसे करोगे?
एक्चुअली एक्टिंग ही हर जगह करनी चाहिए और मैंने यहाँ भी वही किया है. तो आपको एक बहुत खास कैरेक्टर देखने को मिलेगा पूरव झा का. ठीक है, तो हर थर्सडे के लिए रेडी रहना. यस,
मुझे चेतावनी मिली है यहाँ पे. रेडी, आई एम एब्सोल्युटली रेडी एंड सो इज एवरीवन. योर जैस्मिन, जितने दोस्त के साथ आप इस गेम में आई हैं, क्या लगता है उतने ही लेके जाएंगी या उसमें कम होंगे या बढ़त होगी?
हो सकता है ज़्यादा के साथ जाऊं, बट मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ये रहा है कि गेम शो में दोस्त कोई नहीं होता, सब कॉम्पिटिटर होते हैं.
इस कंपटीशन में आपका स्वागत है और आपको बेस्ट विशेस. From poker faces to plot twists, this bunch is packing brains, bluffs and bold moves. Thank you so much to all of you and wish you the best. Thank you. The veteran actor who knows how to switch from villain to blogger without missing a beat. It is Ashish Vidyarthi. And now, last but not the least, the man who made a career out of making stars, but this time is in the show to steal the spotlight himself. It is Mukesh Chhabra. Well, ये है हमारे 20 सेलिब्रिटी प्लेयर्स जो कि होंगे द ट्रेटर्स का हिस्सा. ना व्हाट अ स्पेक्टेकुलर लाइनअप. और अब पूरे धमाके के साथ फिर से एक बार मंच पर बुलाते हैं निखिल मारोक एंड करण जौहर को, क्योंकि अब वक्त आ गया है जिसका हम सबको इंतजार था. Okay, since we saw Karan in the trailer, now I can put two into two together where the way he said at the start, the tone is such. So I'm going to stick to that, Karan.
I will answer in that tone too.
Yeah, it's...
I'll be nice.
yeah, thank you. The innocent. All right, but super impressive trailer. As in, I was talking to you backstage and I told that, it's already connected us. We want more and more and we're so hooked into it already. So can't wait for the 12th of June. We got to wait because I always say that patience bears fruitful results. A few questions so that we could deep dive into the world of the Traitors. And Nikhil, starting with you, when curating this particular group of 20 players for the Traitors, what were the traits that you guys were looking for?
So for Traitors, we were, for the show, these players, we wanted them to be a diverse bunch of players from all walks of life. But most importantly, everyone should have a unique trait that they bring for the, to the show. And we're very lucky that we found these 20 incredible players who joined the show. Some of them, as you've seen, are sort of natural charmers. Some of them are strategic players. And some of them are just too innocent to play dirty. And that was really crucial, this bunch of people to come together. But above all, we were looking for people who have a distinct personality, who are unapologetic about presenting themselves on screen, their authentic self. And also, very importantly, emotionally intelligent people, because it's such a mind game. You need to be able to influence others, you need to be able to manipulate others to sort of get ahead. And one interesting thing about all these players is that some of them are known to each other from before, and many of them are sort of complete strangers. They don't know each other at all. So it'll be fun to see that in the show, if you know somebody from outside, is that a strength, or does it turn out to be a weakness in the show? And that's really where the fun comes from.
Yeah, we look forward to strategic players, but all in all, they all are great talkers because that's how they have to get their way around. And well, thank you for those details. And Karan, how did the Traitors happen to you, and what was the first thought that crossed your mind when you were approached for the Traitors?
How did the Traitors happen to me? Traitors have been happening to me all my life. We're all in an industry where trust is rare and dhoka is everywhere. But I was actually, Nikhil came home one evening and said that I have something exciting to tell you about. And he said, it's a show called The Traitors, and then we want you to host it. I'm like, who else, can host a show called The Traitors? And then, of course, I went and saw the international formats. I saw the UK version, the US version, which are already cult and loved and hugely popular shows, all into their third season, if I'm not wrong. I was just absolutely enthralled, invested, engaged, mesmerized by the sheer craziness of this supremely clever format. It was apparently a format was created in, it was a Norwegian, it was a Dutch format, sorry. It's a Dutch format. I'm like, those guys are supremely clever to come out, and I loved it. And I was like pretty much on as soon as I saw that, I was like, let's do it, because it seemed so exciting. It was different from every other reality show that is on any kind of platform. And I was like, this is something I haven't done, and here you don't need to be inauthentic. The thing is, in many reality shows, we are also fraudulent, on a daily basis. We are crying when we don't want to cry, or we are laughing loudly when we don't want to laugh. Here, it's none of that. It's all actually real-time drama, and you're reacting authentically. There's no put on. Everyone is being an authentic self. You're really feeling betrayed. You're really feeling hurt. You're really feeling happy or empowered. You basically are the most authentic self of yourself. And I think that's what really excited me.
So it's absolutely raw. And we love the bold you and the outspoken you, and as you rightly started by saying, who better than you to host the Traitors. So thank you, and we look forward to it. Nikhil, how significant is the host to the format of the Traitors?
So this is a great question, because unlike other formats, the host is not present throughout the gameplay. But whenever the host enters the show, they sort of create chaos and maximum impact. So when we were looking to see who should sort of host the show, we wanted someone who's warm, but can also be intimidating. Someone who you can have a great conversation with, but also someone who's larger than life and extremely charismatic. And Karan was the sort of obvious choice. His command on storytelling, his experience, his ability to create emotion and drama and tension is sort of unparalleled. And when you see him, you've seen a glimpse, but when you see him on the show, you'll understand what an amazing impact that he's had on the show to make it even more riveting. And thank you, Karan, for agreeing to do this.
Thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Well, Karan, you did mention at the start of the event today that, there's a circle of shuck and every day
Right.
there's a murder. But we want to know, and we also saw it in the player, that, but we want to know, how do players get eliminated?
So that's what happens, is basically in the circle of shuck, everybody tries to spot the traitor. And then they take a consensus. So the maximum votes given to X person is then doomed traitor and then is made to leave. But before leaving is asked, are you a traitor or are you an innocent? And that's the moment to really watch out for. Because when they get it wrong, you can tell the collective gasp of all the conspirators, like, shit, we got it wrong. And when they get it right, literally, I won't give you any spoilers, but there was one moment when perhaps they got it right, and I felt they were going to jump on me as well, and that's not the format because I'm the host and you have to be really keep a distance from me, but I could feel the energy in that room. So that's how one gets eliminated. But the three traitors also every night meet under the clock tower and they murder one person. So there are 2 eliminations every day.
Wow, that's a lot to take.
Yeah,
Right?
it is. And I want to tell you, you mean business in every moment of, like, literally when I used to wear these long coats and arrive every day and I felt like I was in character myself. So I feel like you can't communicate with any player. I can't talk to them even though I'm friendly with some. Mahip is one of my dearest friends. I wasn't even looking at her and she was getting really hassled because she kept like looking for some validation, some smile, like somebody, and I would just give her the dirtiest looks ever because I'm not meant to engage. I'm not meant to talk. I cannot be caught like in the corridors of that hotel and even being spoken to. If that happens, they will be asked to leave. They're breaking format. So it was exhausting as to go back to my hotel room and feel like when I go under the shower and feel like, oh God, I feel like an entire, truckload of baggage has gone off my, because the whole day you're being so strict, a disciplinarian, you're in the mode, you're following the format, you're being aggressive, angry, and strict all the time. I'm not all those things on a daily basis, though many would believe maybe I am, but I'm not. So it was really tough for me also as a host to keep that visage.
We vouch for that. But on a daily basis.
Oh, you don't know me.
What we've seen, definitely. But, this mysterious circle of shak, pura ka pura din, now for the players, wo shak pe jee rahe hain pura din?
बिल्कुल.
How does that, like when you're seeing them, how does
कुछ friendly होने की acting कर रहे हैं, तो कुछ constantly शकी नज़र से देख रहे हैं, कुछ किन्होंने एक्चुअली ग्रुप्स बनाया है क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि जितने हम एक ग्रुप बनाएंगे तो हम फिर एक्स पर्सन को बाहर निकाल सकते हैं और वो शायद उस ग्रुप बनाने वाला या वाली एक ट्रेटर हो तो इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ मैनिपुलेशन एंड स्कीमिंग और जब मैं देखता था कंट्रोल रूम में क्या हो रहा है बस लाइक भाई ये जो 20 ये प्लेयर्स हैं ये शातिर प्लेयर्स हैं वो पता नहीं कहाँ से प्राइम अमेज़न निखिल ने चुने इनको लेकिन आई जस्ट वांट टू से आई वाज आउट लाइक मैं वहाँ कुछ 12 दिन 14 दिन तक था और मेरे साथ मेरी टीम भी आई थी मैं एक फिल्म लिख रहा था कुछ प्रेप भी हो रही थी दूसरी फिल्मों के लिए वो सब छोड़ छाड़ के काम में कंट्रोल रूम में आके बैठ जाते थे बिकॉज दे वांटेड टू नो लाइक दे वर वाचिंग इट लाइव टाइम एंड देन द वंस हु लेफ्ट वुड मैसेज हु गॉट आउट हु गॉट मर्डर्ड लाइक इट वाज लाइक लिटरली वी वर ऑल लाइक आई यूज्ड टू वेट फॉर नेहा हु वाज रनिंग द एंटायर शो टू कॉल मी द नाइट एंड से ओके एक्स पर्सन गॉट एंड आई वुड वेट एंड आई वाज इन very sleepy but at 2 or 3 in the morning मुझे वो information मिल जाती थी and I was like okay now I'll sleep because मुझे पता चल गया so literally I'm not lying to you अगर मैं शो में हूँ और मैं इतना invested हूँ तो आप लोग जो शो के बिल्कुल दूर हैं आपको मैं बता ही नहीं सकता कि आपके दिल और दिमाग के साथ क्या होने वाला है 12 जून के बाद
मैं अभी और बोले कि अच्छा
ये लोगों से मुझे अब भी डर लगता है मैं अभी उनको ठीक तरह नहीं मिल पाता हूँ क्योंकि मैं जानता हूँ उनके शातिर दिमाग को। भैया ये मेरे इंडस्ट्री के भाई हैं, बहन हैं, दोस्त हैं, कॉलीग्स हैं, लेकिन मैं इनसे हमेशा दूर ही रहूँगा। मैंने महीप को ट्रस्ट करना बंद कर दिया है उसके बाद, शो के बाद मैं ट्रस्ट ही नहीं करता महीप को अभी।
But we can't wait to connect with them on the 12th of June through The Traitors. And Nikhil, my question is for you. Now, with The Traitors, Prime Video is further elevating its growing unscripted slate. Now, from the perspective of the audience, how is the viewing experience different from other reality shows? And what are your expectations from The Traitors?
So one of the terms which is very loosely used to describe shows is immersive content. But I can be completely honest that in this case, the term completely applies. And what sets the show apart is, as an audience, you already know who a traitor is and who the innocent is. And that makes the audience like a third character in the show. And you're seeing all this sort of deception play out in front of you. This is the kind of show that helps you understand the players and get into their psyche and mind in a way that no other show has done till now. And it'll shock you the kind of games that they're playing with each other to win. It's actually quite mind-blowing. And the show is done so well across the world. We're hoping that it does extremely well in India as well. And for everyone out there, if you're looking for something which is truly bold, new, fresh, disruptive, Traitors is the show to watch.
Thank you so much for always dishing out and wishing you the best for The Traitors. And thank you for spilling the tea and giving us the insights. And we really can't wait for the 12th of June. And every Thursday, 8 p.m., we got to stay hooked onto Prime Video to watch out The Traitors पे क्या होगा, कौन धोखा, कोई किसी का सगा नहीं है, as you rightly said. So
पहले एपिसोड में मैं बोलता हूँ धमाका होने वाला है. Like you're not going to expect what's going to happen on episode 1. Like let me tell you, कि at 9 p.m. sharp you're going to have your jaw dropping. I can assure you.
Okay. We can't wait. We can't wait, definitely. And thank you for giving us so much information, in spite of not actually spilling the beans and telling us, but you've helped us immerse into The Traitors already. So thank you. Thank you so much and keeping us hooked. And with that, it calls for the moment to be captured, a brilliant photo op with the entire, the players and the entire crew. So can we have them on stage? And I request you please step forward so we could set the stage, because Karan, you move like a dagger.